So I've gotten a few expandable hoses lately, but what I really wanted was a nice, just good durable hose to have at my house. So let's check this one out and see what it looks like here. Here it is. It's nice. Look at that. I like the color. Boy, it's all wrapped up with a bunch of little plastic. Let's see how this one. Let's see how durable this one looks. There's a lot of plastic on it, but there we go. So, oh, that's a good rubber hose. This is going to be really convenient because it's so flexible, and I bet you it's going to stay flexible even in bad weather and everything. So, man. Well. And there we go. Oh, now there's another piece. There we go. And see, what's good about it is it's all rubber and it won't kink. You see, like normally if you did this to a hose, you'd be all kinked up. This one won't kink because it's the rubber like that, which is so nice. So it's got the quick connects already put on there. And let's see how it looks here with the hose sprayer that we got with it. So this is a nice hose sprayer too. Cool, the last few I've gotten, it's really sweet. They have the words written on there too, so you can kind of see which kind it's gonna be doing. So you don't have to just look in the sprayer. And then it connects up. Oh, that's a good connection. And then pulls right out. And it looks like it's a pretty universal connector, so it'll probably connect onto my other hoses that have things too. So that's nice. And then it comes with the other side of it to screw into the faucet and some washers. So very nice little kit here. And a nice, good long hose, green, strong, durable. I like this one. Very good. It's gonna be nice at the house to have a good one because the expandable ones that I had just didn't need those at the home. This one here, good. Just leave it outside all the time and everything.